right, guys, so I want to walk you through how to add notes to your Google Slides presentation. This process is super easy. All you need to do is go into the View tab here, open this up, and go down to Show Speaker Notes. Once you click that, it'll put a check mark next to it saying that it's enabled, and you'll see that your notes show here. Now, when you first do it, it's probably only going to show about this much of the note. But to show the full note, you would just grab this bar, drag it up as far as you need, resizing this so that you can work on both your slides as well as adding your notes to each slide. This is super helpful because when you're doing a presentation, if you go over here to presenter view, you open this up, your notes are going to be on the side screen while your presentation is on the main screen. And just to give you a real world example, I own a home care company. So we do a lot of orientation training, and these slides have a lot of information on them, right? So we have our notes for these slides, and let me see if I can show you presentations here. If I go to my presenter view, all of my notes for each of these slides shows, and I can just use the keyboard arrows to move between slides. And you can see I'm just getting all of my notes on each slide. So we do this in the office on the TV. We use an iPad actually, and we Chromecast the presentation to the TV. And then on the iPad, we just have this information. So it works really good. If you'd like, I can do a whole video on how I do that. If you, put a comment in below, I can, I'll put that together for you. But for now, this is how you're going to add notes to your Google Slides. Hope it helps. See you next time. Bye.